Hi everyone, Deb here. This is my coloring page for hashtag crafting party with friends 2024. This is hosted by Jamie's Life and also crafts and more with crafts with Pat and more. I think crafting with Pat and more. One sec. Crafting with Pat and more. I will link their channels down below. They co-host this collab. They're using this Bold and Easy large print coloring book, which if you watch my haul videos, you will have seen I bought this. And I did color a page in it last week, 11/17, which is this one, with tan mint markers. So my second page in here is this one. And this is Grapes in a Basket. I used all Ohuhu alcohol markers if you want to know the colors. They're E310 dark brown, V9 yellow ochre, G190 olive green, G260 apple green, V070 eggplant purple, V150 mallow, which is the lighter color here. And then a colorless blender because I did have one area here that the green went over the leaf and I had to remove it. And it did pretty good. Then I also used just one gel pen from Paper Studio. It's a neon purple. That was out of this set. It's that one right there. It was in the Paper Crafting, Paper Studio, Glitter, Metallic, Pastel, and Neon. These are the neons and the purple. So the purple looks kind of pinky purple. And I ended up using it on both shades of the purple, most of them. You can't really see it, well, all of them, you can't really see it too much on the darker purple. And I could have used white, but I'm just a little nervous about doing that. So I just decided to put little curvy lines on all of them with the neon purple. And then the background, I started off trying to use gelatos because that worked so well for me in that one other coloring book I had, I shared before, something about nature. Let me see. This one. One sec. The one I did the pear. See if I can find it quick. Of course not. Maybe is this it? No. Where's my pear? Here, this one. I used gelatos on this. Now this is a little bit thicker paper and much smoother, and the gelatos blended out really well on there. It did not, however, on this Amazon paper or whatever it is, which has more of a tooth and is thinner. So I brought out my soft pastels that I got not too long ago, and I used the gray in that too. I tried to fix this over here, but it didn't get too good. And then I used a green instead of a blue because I liked it with the purple. I like purple and green together. And those were by Light Wish or Marie's. On Amazon, it was under Light Wish Soft Pastels, but the box has Marie's, M-A-R-I-E apostrophe S. And I wrote a note to myself not to use gelatos on this paper. So I think I'm going to start, they usually have like the extra pages. I think I'm going to start like a notes in the back there, or do they have one in the front? Yeah, maybe on one of these. No, I think I'll put it in the back as notes, and I'll have to try to remember myself to check my notes page, put a little tab there, it says notes or something, and remind myself not to use gelatos in this book. But that's what I did. I made them double shades of purple, 2 tones on the basket, 2 tones on the leaves, and I like it. I think it came out okay. Now, this one, you do have to have paper, but if you use alcohol markers, it almost looks as good on the back, right? Put a second sheet because with one sheet only, which I discovered fairly early, it went through to the other page. Or use a very thick piece of cardstock, like an 80-pound or something, which I think I'm going to start doing, using 80-pound or more cardstock behind. Because although I have lots of this that from printing, and it has a wacky thing at the top or whatever. Anyway, or it printed wrong or whatever. But this will be next week's picture in this collab, and I guess I'm going to have some chocolate donuts. There's a little bit here too. I'm not too worried about that one. And I don't know what medium I'm using for this yet, so stay tuned and we'll see what I do for, when will that be? December 2nd, I believe. Yeah. So come back next week and see how I fix that and do my donuts. Okay. Thank you, Jamie and Pat. I hope you guys have a lovely week ahead. And for those in the U.S., happy Thanksgiving this coming week. And I'll talk to you again very soon. Hugs, love, and peace.